Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting essentials in place: your device, a stable Wi-Fi connection, and a unique email or phone number for verification. Once done, open Mobile Legends and choose your preferred server region. This affects latency and matchmaking. Make sure to set a strong password and record it safely. You will need it for binding. Then tap Create Account, enter your email or phone, and verify the code. This guarantees a clean, recoverable base before you continue to customize. Once your account exists, bind it to Facebook, Google, or a Mountain ID to prevent loss. This is critical. Then personalize. Choose a display name and avatar that follow rules and enable any available 2FA. This prevents unauthorized access. Next, complete the in-game tutorial, adjust privacy and friend settings, and grant only necessary permissions. Make sure to claim the new account rewards and link any promo codes. These steps protect progress and optimize matchmaking before you play ranked. To finalize, test microtransactions with a small purchase or redeemable code so payment methods are validated. This avoids issues later. Then accept friend invites, join a guild, or practice in bot matches to confirm matchmaking and chat functions. If an error occurs, such as failed binding, lost verification code, or login denial, first try rebinding with the linked service and clear app cache. If that fails, collect your Mountain ID and transaction receipts and contact Mountain support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.